Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this beautiful heart earring with pearl sequins. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I'm using a pearl cotton crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. For row 1 we'll go ahead, do chain 5 and then we'll do a slip stitch on chain 1. This forms a ring and then make a slip stitch on the ring and then work 4 chains. And then we will be working 7 triple crochets around the ring. So this is my first triple crochet. For triple crochet you yarn over twice and then insert the hook on the ring, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we will be working 7 triple crochets around the ring. So our triple crochets are done. So we have worked 7 triple crochets on the ring and then we will work 4 chains and do a slip stitch on the first chain to form a small ring. This will be our tip of the heart and then again work 7 triple crochets around the ring for the other side of the heart. So we are going to work 7 triple crochets around the ring. So now we have worked 7 triple crochets, then we will work a chain 4 and then do a slip stitch on the center of the ring. So with this our row 2 will be complete and we will work one more row to finish off our heart. So for the row 3 I will be working 4 single crochets on the chain 4 of our previous row. And then we will work 1 single crochet on the first triple crochet of the previous row and then 2 double crochets on each triple crochet of the previous row. So we will work 2 double crochet on the remaining 6 on each triple crochets for remaining 6 triple crochets. So once we are done working the double crochet, in the center 4 chain ring, that is the tip, work 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. This will give the tip a nice curve. And then for the first 6 triple crochets on the other side, work 2 double crochet on each triple crochets. So for each triple crochets we work 2 double crochets. So we work like this for the first 6 triple crochets, and then in the last triple crochet we work a single crochet. Now we are in the last triple crochet. We work 1 single crochet and then we work 4 single crochet on the chain 4 of the previous row. Then we slip stitch onto the center and then we can fasten off. Cut off the yarn, fasten up, secure your yarn. So now you can see this work is little bit wobbly. For this we need to block it using 1 part glue and 1 part water. Soak it and then remove the work. Dry them for 24 hours. So now I have dried and it's now stiff. Now I am going to attach this hoops to this earrings. And then next I will attach some self-adhesive pearls to my earrings, which will give it a beautiful look. So I am placing 2 self-adhesive pearls to my earring. So this is done. See how beautiful our work has turned out. Hope you like this video. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.